Okay guys, this is South Africa. We are back again with another video. This time walking the streets from this area going up. This is BREE excellent, correct? Let's just get in there where they're selling things. And this is BREE texturing, guys. That's the problem. This part is very this path is actually very narrow. Let's cross over, guys. Let's see what this road can give us. Impressive buildings out there. See that? Let's see how we can and what we can come with. Looks like someone who's walking ahead of me. Someone that I know. This person, I think I know him. Papa Penny. Hey. Oh, give me that. Man, what's up? What's up, man? Hey, man.
Come on, Bob.
Hey, guys, I'm meeting friends, old friends here. I'm meeting some old workmates. This is my buddy here. Now walking these streets and I'm getting to meet people. How amazing this is. Getting to know the old guys. This is my job. Long time, man. Yeah, Papa Penny. Let's keep on, man. Usho kanje? Serious mfowethu?
Someone.
Ngikambela manga phela, eh? True God. Nobody. Hey, yeah. Let's talk. Not you. What? Forklift. These guys, yeah, are guys. They call me forklift. I'm actually on YouTube right now. All right.
Now I'm doing your job.
Yeah. You can do my job.
Yeah. Now I'm doing your job.
Talk to them.
Yeah. I'm doing your job now. Yeah. I'm fixing the counters.
So these guys actually they are doing exhibition and his name. Introduce yourself, man. This is Baba Penny. Say why? He doesn't want to introduce himself because I've already introduced him. He's one of my best buddies. See, the thing is, I once worked with these guys. This is the company that I used to be working before. It's actually an exhibition company. So yeah, They do stands and all that stuff. Hey, seside lesi sikhathi mfowethu. Seside kakhulu. But otherwise, skiphani mfowethu. Skiphani. Huh? Nenengisa lapha ya.
Yeah,
Until kuze kulunge.
right, that one.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Akufani mara.
Fine.
Akufani. Ningena every day. Ningena every day.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Yeah, it's okay now.
Yeah, it's not.
Span sesipaya now ni.
Fast, no, sama to papa.
At apaya vele. Ngike ngabona status sakabani saka knowledge. Use bayayava eradeng. Use Zambia ni.
Yeah.
Ayi Botswana. Oh, we Cape Town. Use Zambia manje ni. At least it's something. Akufani. Uyobuya ni.
Yobuya. Womela buya kusasa.
Mele babuye kusasa. Babe nabo Martin ne.
Martin ya.
No blessing khona yini?
Hayi blessing.
Akasabuyanga ne.
Hayi blessing uthenga kasabuya.
Ne. Ayipushani bafowethu. As long as sincengisa ngisapusha YouTube. Una uyiphethe yini channel yami wena? Awu bafowethu uyenza kanjani? Ngoba ugcwele lapha.
Angithi uyakuthi ngikhona.
You're full time there baba. So now why you not checking on our channel? You must check on it. Uyazi ukuthi ngizenzani?
Yeah.
Thathi number zami manje. Ngisendele kwashila.
Ngijimele lapha ya.
Papa peni number yakho ngisena because I've got new numbers now. Nama numbers amasha ngithi ngalahlekelwa ngamanye ama gadgets lawa. Isikhathi sisema frauds eDurban. When I was doing this job. Ngalahlekelwa ngayo yonke into mfowethu. Everything including cameras and all that stuff.
Yes.
I had to restart everything. Qalela parts. Yabona ukuthi kubhlungu kanjani. Yeah. But impilo ke le. Now I'm restarting again. But anyway, I never did let down my channel. Namajita abase channeling. They are there supporting the channel and we are growing. So kuzofanele nawe ube khona lapha. Utshela namajita asespanini ukuthi hey nango of South Africa lapha yana. Ngizobona into enzakala lapha.
So uyenze i-sim swap.
No, ihlekile kuyenza i-sim swap mfowethu ba. Hey labantu mina ngazi ukuthi kanjani mfowethu. Hey thina kanjani. Ithi ngizothatha wakho kayi-1 yabo.
Uthi uthi.
Ithi ngibona ithi siyenze wona. Awubani ke manje? Abathana baba phela. What uyatotsha? No, angeke right now angithi so online so kushithi wonke umuntu uzoba nenumber yakho ngoba uyabo iMMS. So yenza kanjani i-enter lapho number yakho and then you save it. All right. Never mind me guys, I'm just trying to give my old buddy a number, my number. This is Johannesburg for you guys. Okay. I'll forget.